mechanical consultants, developers, project owners, interior designers, and as well as of course, all other stakeholders. And their common denominator of their issues is the location of the condensing unit or the outdoor unit. Imagine in a 40-story residential condominium, you have several outdoor units piling up in a void space from ground floor up to the top floors, wherein I have seen several times in many designs of the mechanical consultants. And what might happen if we do it this way? Number one is air short cycling. As you can see on the right side, we have done one of our projects, the CFD airflow analysis. The condensing unit is surrounded with hot air. If the outdoor unit is surrounded by hot air, there is a possibility of degraded efficiency. And then the declared lifespan of manufacture might be also reduced. And of course, higher maintenance because you have several outdoor units to be cleaned. And lastly, expensive electricity because of very low efficiency. Thanks to DAIKIN, because in 1969, DAIKIN developed the world's first multi-split air conditioning system that have changed the course of air conditioning industry. Multi-split system is a system of air conditioning wherein you have single outdoor unit and you can connect as much as many indoor units. We have the VRV lineup for the flagship product of DAIKIN for commercial application. We have the VRV4S, which is ideally for high-end residential condominiums. And we have the multi-split inverter system for residential application. And now, today, we will launch the economical multi-inverter system. For almost 50 years since this milestone, we have built an international reputation based on quality, reliability, and advanced technology that is incorporated into our products. DAIKIN multi-inverter system require only, as mentioned earlier, require only one outdoor unit, and you can connect as many indoor units. The many benefits offered by multi-inverter system are enhanced by DAIKIN DC inverter control. In recent study conducted by Lamudi, the average residential condominium size across Metro Manila is less than 40 square meters. And the trend for the next 10 years, people will live in a shrinking condominium space because of the price hike of every square meter of land value, which is actually happening right now. As you can see, one of the example here is the Bonifacio Global City. It increases to 33.3% from 2016 to 2017. Tonight, we will launch the economical capacity of the condensing unit, which is ideally or specifically tailored for small-sized residential condominiums, and that's occupied by a working professional. Introducing the multi-inverter economical. This is a typical setup. You can connect as much as 3 indoor units. The capacity of the outdoor unit is only 2 horsepower. Because the regular size of our multi-split for residential is 2.5 up to 4 horsepower. So here's the typical setup, proposed design for multi-economical inverter system. Let's say you have three rooms, 1 lift room and 2 bedrooms. So ideally, during the daytime, the working professional, they use the living room, so they turn on, and while the bedrooms are turned off. But during the evening, of course, living room, nobody's occupying it, and then you open the bedrooms. The outdoor unit is only 2 horsepower. And these are the outdoor unit specifications. We will send you this catalog and engineering data in your respective offices for your reference. And these are the features of our DAIKIN multi-inverter economical. And one of these features is the comfort airflow mode. This function prevents cold draft directly onto the body of the occupant. Another one is the DAIKIN mobile controller. You can use your smartphone to control your multi-inverter economical system. To end my sharing, let me show you one of the successful projects of DAIKIN multi-inverter system. And the project is Grand Hyatt Residences in BGC. Let's watch this.
to meet yung requirement ng tenant and buyers better than the previous one. So this is a premium development. So pagpasok mo, wala kang nakikita suspended na bulkhead. Because team dito si Aya, co-manager, so the buyer would expect a better product. So that's why we're involved. Luckily, we're not doing only mechanical. It's a full complete MED package and building management system. So I think the owner, Sir Alfred, came across to us. So we have to prove that we can do things better. Benefit, no. So I think this is a very exciting project because, as I've said, this will be improvement in design and energy efficiency. Aircon is energy consuming, so we have to specify products that really doesn't hurt the monthly bill of its unit owners.
Thank you for listening from the words number 1.